Hey there everyone, Sajjad here. So as you know that on 2nd April I will be launching a new affiliate site, and we are planning that from June 1st it will generate revenue over $500 per month. So what I want to do for you guys, that I am interested to share the things that and the SEO tips and SEO strategies that will follow on the on to rank that site. So I think that it will give you a lot of values, and I have recently bought some new courses, and especially one that if you are into SEO or if you are into online marketing stuff, you know Neil Patel. And recently I just bought his course that is called Quick Sprout. So I have learned a lot of stuff, and I am sure and that I can rank that site within 2 months on the first position. So I'll be teaching you guys and sharing you guys the tools that I will be using on this on the strategies on and to rank that site on my targeted keyword. So if you ask me that then I will say that the things I will be teaching you guys and I'll be sharing with you guys is almost like 400 to $500, but for you guys I'll be teaching you for free. So another thing that I want to mention is that I am interested to teach one of you guys about how to do SEO and how you can do freelancing and become a search engine optimizer by yourself. So if you are up for it, then you can comment below, and I will share you the things that how you can join, how you can contact me, or if you want, you can get into my Facebook page, where I will be sharing with you and I will be giving tips to you every day on how you can be a great search engine optimizer. And there is a income disclaimer that I am not guaranteeing that you will be earning a lot of money or any money at all, because I don't know you, and I don't guarantee that kind of stuff. But the thing is, if you, it has worked for me and it has worked for a lot of stuff, and online and the leaders of online marketing is using them, and I believe them, so I am using that too. So I can give you hints, and I can show you strategies to rank your site to the top, but I am not in any way guaranteeing you that you will do that too, because I don't know you. And if you don't give that full effort or anything, then I am not guaranteeing anything. So I am really excited for the new site launch. And if you are interested to learn search engine optimizing, blogging, article writing, web designing, or anything, just comment below or just contact me or get into my Facebook page, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So take care. I am Sajjad, and have an awesome day.